Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Bing Webmaster Tools ownership to your team. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer ownership of Bing Webmaster Tools to your team, begin by logging into your Bing Webmaster Tools account. Once logged in, locate the dashboard where your website properties are listed. Select the website property for which you want to transfer ownership. In the property dashboard, navigate to the settings icon on the right side of the screen. Click on the settings icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Users. In the Manage Users section, you will see a list of current users associated with. To add a new user, click on the Add User button. Enter the email address of the team member you wish to transfer ownership to. In the Permissions section, select the appropriate access level. To transfer ownership, choose the Owner option from the drop-down menu. After selecting the permissions, click on that Add button to send the invitation. Your team member will receive an email notification to accept the invitation. Once they accept, return to the Manage Users section. Here, locate the new owner in the user list. To complete the transfer, find your own user entry in the list. Click on the three dots next to your name for more options. Select Remove to relinquish your ownership. Confirm your decision when prompted. Your team member is now the owner of the Bing Webmaster Tools account for that property. Ensure they verify their access and familiarize themselves with the dashboard. This completes the ownership transfer process in Bing Webmaster Tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.